On today's body cam, we're checking out unhinged woman lights police car on fire.
Set my car on fire!
So the camp out back, it's still full-blown setup.
I'll go check, make sure that there's no one there.
So also, I have that problem. Now she has a unit here, blares her music, dances in the parking lot, swings from the trees.
You guys have the right to choose to do either terminating her contract or whatnot. I know the car itself, I don't think that license plate's good. However, it's not operating on a roadway. And she's also known to be a little...
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.
That's why we don't want to take a chance.
Oh, she's a regular.
Yeah, people have. Yesterday, 2 customers came in and complained, "What's that lady doing there, Dan?"
Yeah. Well, she'll walk up and down Davis and like rub dirt on herself and stuff, and it's a daily occurrence for us. So. So.
You never want to be a regular.
We'll see.
Here she comes.
Hello, Jana. How are you?
Oh, hi, Mr. Police, and hi, lady, and hi, sir.
So.
I told you can't plug that in here.
Oh, no, I know. You told me that you're not responsible for it.
I don't want it plugged into my electricity.
This building, the storage building that I have a place here,
You're not paying for electricity.
but I'm paying for the storage, ma'am.
You know, if you don't want to abide by the rules, they also have the right to terminate your contract, right?
This lady told me I'm not allowed to
And that's what
plug
she's...
my stuff here.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
have to say yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
But I thought because I pay for the storage unit,
No.
if I'm here, I can plug it, charge it really fast. I wasn't going to leave my speaker. I was going to leave this.
So because you pay for the storage unit, you think you could just do whatever you want to do inside their spot? Is that what you're trying to say?
Because you said you were not responsible for it.
But it doesn't matter. Don't plug it in.
Can I plug it there?
No.
None of the outlets?
Nope.
Why not? I asked you before.
And I told you no.
You told me because you don't want to be responsible for it.
They do bear costs of electricity, right? And we charge people for the theft of
But do
electricity.
you pay for the electricity?
And she's no longer giving you permission to use that outlet, okay?
I mean, I know she said
You're
that.
making
I
something-
heard you, Mr. Police.
Making something out of nothing.
I know this lady works here, and she said not to use it.
They're responsible for the budgeting.
I'm okay. No, she's not.
Yes,
She
I
doesn't
am.
pay for it. Well, I pay. You don't pay for that electricity.
They have the
stuff.
right to terminate your contract here as well.
No, I know. She said if I wanted a refund for my
But
stuff.
you're making something out of nothing.
And I said, no, I don't want the refund. I already give her this lady the money. I put my card in this thing right there because I already paid for it. Why would I want the refund?
We are turning into something from nothing.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Please don't charge yourself here. That's all she got. That's all she's
No, I
telling
know
you.
she said
Okay,
it, but
so
I
then-
said I
then
have
we're done, right?
storage here. I just need to charge it really
But
fast.
she doesn't want you to charge it. So that's it. You have
I
to find
don't
somewhere else.
understand. It doesn't make no sense.
So-
Why doesn't you want me to charge it here? Because I'm right here. My car's right there. I'm in my car. I don't understand, lady.
I said no.
The other thing too is that they don't want you parking here overnight, right?
I don't park here overnight. I
Your
park here
license
sometimes.
plate isn't legal.
Yes, it is.
It's
It is
suspended.
Nevada.
It is suspended.
Nevada.
Do you live here, work here?
Whoa, 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 whoa. My license plate. My license is legal. And my
Labels
tag.
3,
The tag
Robert,
on my
you know.
plate.
Can you run me a Nevada 28 as well? This is coming from my dispatch.
And what the does it say?
Suspended.
It ain't. Hold on. I gotta go.
Here, no, you can listen. I believe that you own it. It's just illegal to operate upon the roadway.
I'm showing you this Nevada.
Yeah, but
State of Nevada Department of Motor and Vehicle,
That
the
means it's
DMV.
yours.
And it
but it
says,
doesn't mean that it's legal to operate on the roadway.
we're trying to, what? It is legal to operate it. It's a
isn't.
motherfucking car. Yes, the it is. What you gonna tell me?
Then you can go to the jail when we catch you.
I don't want to go to jail.
Well, then don't operate it on the
What the
road.
do you mean though? I have 30 days to go to that DMV in Florida and motherfucking change it back to motherfucking Florida.
No, that's not how.
She has no back windshield. Do you? I know this is a bit random, but she has no back windshield, man. Listen, hey, I must say, the cops are doing pretty decent here. I got this problem. That's what the lady said. I got this problem, but the cops pretty much like, yeah, we know, but she's not driving. She's not doing, I can't really just make something up out of thin air to get her together. Pretty much that's what he's trying to say. I can't make something up out of thin air, But if you terminate the contract, And it seems like they don't want to do that. So they must like her business.
Yes, it is how it works. How you gonna tell me?
Well, then I've explained it to you, and if you want to jump up and down and say that, then that's it.
No,
We'll
I'm
leave
just
it at
gonna tell you
that.
the truth right here and straight.
So no, I've explained it to you. You have every right to choose to act how you want to.
My way, how they do it in Nevada. And
This is
here,
Florida.
Too, if I had Florida,
All right, you can continue to act this way, ma'am. But I'm done. Wait, it's not.
Tell me, sir.
It's the law, ma'am.
Right. You have
So
30 days to
no.
switch it.
So you can have that car. You can
It's
legally
my car.
own that.
Yes, it's my motherfucking car.
I've never contested that with you, right?
Right. So I could drive it whenever
No, you can't. You can't operate
the I want in the
please
United
just
States
take
of
one
America.
step back.
You have 30 days.
No, you
Oh,
don't.
you won't even take a step back.
Thank you. I appreciate that. You can own a car, but if you don't register it, no, it is
You have 30 days
unregistered.
to register it.
No, you're not understanding me. And I'm telling you, if you operate that car, it's getting towed.
It is not going to get
If you take that car on Davis, it is getting
I
towed.
drive my car everywhere.
Okay, then you know
It is not gonna
you've
get
been
towed.
warned. It's going to be documented that you've been warned. Okay, it's going to get towed, which on it, it's going to get towed. If you drive it on the road, it's getting towed. It's not valid.
Yes, it's valid.
The dispatch literally told you it's not.
I don't get it. Like, why are the cops initially called here? Are they called here for something else or to deal with this person? Because this seems pretty simple to me. I mean, if she's acting out, you give her a refund, terminate the contract, you want her trespassed. If she decides that she doesn't want to leave, then you lock her up. This is pretty open and shut to me. I just don't know what the initial call is. If they're out there for something else and then she just happens to be a nuisance, because earlier the lady said, and I'm dealing with that or whatever. So I'm thinking she's just a byproduct of like something else that's going on,
Okay, you guys can choose.
Take your speaker
I'm locking it somewhere else.
Do you want her trespass? Do you want to cancel her contract trespasser?
Trespass me, cancel my contract?
Yes.
Okay.
I am.
All
I
right.
said,
Which
See?
one are your trespass?
and I said no, and I'm saying I'm not trespassing.
You are. Naples 3, Bravo 31, changes to a 43. 18, this is probably going to be a 10-15. She's inside. I'm just letting her go for now. I'm going to write out the trespass if she refuses to leave after she's been handed the copy of the trespass. Yeah.
Does the car move?
Her car's not valid. And she's like, I have 30 days. I was like, no, it's not valid.
We'll be right over there. He's busy, and we're gonna be with you in 1 minute. I don't know. I just got here. He's gonna explain everything to you.
For what?
This is.
Because I have a storage here. I pay my storage here.
Okay.
And this police is trying to tell me that I can park my motherfucking I can't even beat them.
I need you to go back over to your
I'm
car.
like, what the is that?
I need you to go back over to your car.
I need to know what the is gonna happen.
I'm being
What's
polite right
happening?
now.
I'm not being trespassed. Nowhere.
Go back over to your
I told
car.
the lady that works here, I do not want the money back. I do not want a refund.
Anna, I will talk to you about everything.
It's Anna, not Anna.
I will explain everything to you. I understand that you have property inside there as well.
You don't need to explain shit.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to.
You don't need
So
to
can you
explain nothing to
can
me.
you please listen to my part?
You don't need to put that paperwork because I'm not getting arrested for nothing. I ain't going
Okay.
I think we're there now.
I'm not getting trespassed for nothing. What you mean?
All right, if you can't listen.
Oh, look at my mugshot. No. Police.
All right, so if you can't listen.
No, wait. No.
Then
No, police, wait.
you can't.
Wait, what you doing?
Why is it always wait? No, wait now. No. Why you copping please now? You been had your chance to just walk away, go do what you was doing. Don't bother anybody. But you try to push the cops so much to see how far you can go and get away with it. But it's over with. It's over with now.
What you doing?
All right, this is
okay,
so
I'll
you're
go
bracing
back to
tension
my car.
pulling.
I'll go back by my car and then I'll wait.
Too late.
No, we're not. We're not.
Bracing tension pulling.
Too late.
This is not part- If you continue to do so.
I said wait, what you doing? What the f***? You gonna detain me for what? Let me the f*** go. Why the f*** put me in handcuffs?
You can't listen to a thing that I'm
Let
telling you.
me go. I'm not f***ing playing. You're not the f***ing
You're under arrest now.
I'm not arrested for nothing. What the f*** I do? I didn't do nothing illegal. Let me go. Let me go. You police, let me go. Police, let me f***ing go. Police, let me go. I'm not. You want me to go in? You want me to go in?
Thank you.
You want me to go in? You want me to go in your f***ing car? I don't want to go in your f***ing car.
I know you don't.
No.
still got stuff in her hands and stuff.
I'm gonna hit
They
you.
pat her down?
Get the out of here. Let me out. There's a camera right here. Let me out.
I'll need to go get the info.
I can get all that from you. That way you're not, so she doesn't start damaging your car.
She does have property in the unit, so we got to figure out something.
Okay, I'll ask her what they're gonna do.
I said let me go. Or I'm gonna start a fire. I have a lighter. I'm gonna start a fire. I'm gonna start a fire. I'm gonna burn something.
Okay, how does that gonna work as far as her getting her material or her stuff out?
5 Alpha 41. Can you sign the 13? Sign the unit over to us, and we'll dispose of it. Or she has 72 hours to empty it.
I'm gonna start a fire so good. I'm not playing.
I'm not either. Going to jail.
Okay, I ain't playing. It needs to motherfucking explode. Where's the gasoline? Where's the bomb?
Wait. The officers, when they locked her up, they didn't take anything out of her hand or pat her down or nothing. Oh, fuck.
She's going to jail, so when she gets out, she's going to need to contact you guys to find out what's going on. We will tell her what she needs to do, but she'll come back here, so call us when she comes back.
Okay, I'm gonna burn my seatbelt.
Do you have a lighter?
You need to start right here. Starting. What?
Guess what? You get another charge.
I don't give a What?
You need this. Guess what?
What?
You're going to sit in jail for a while.
No,
Caught my car on fire.
She's not being very cooperative, so I'm not sure if I'll have to follow my partner to the jail. This is hers?
Yes.
Okay.
She had a lighter stash and caught my seatbelt on fire, so.
I'll follow you to the jail.
Yeah.
I'll follow you. I'm going to follow you.
Okay.
Does that sound good? Yeah. Take a breath.
I'm gonna punch you in your
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight you.
I don't want you to do
I
that.
don't give a Badass.
Where's her cuffs?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Piss and take a shit on your damn car.
Why are you
All over it. I don't give a piss. All over your mother car. You're gonna have to clean this shit up. Oh, I'm pissing.
Everything that you break will add up, Anna.
Wow. Yeah, but come on, guys. What are you doing? You don't pat her down. You decide that you're going to take her to jail. You don't pat her down. She has a full-on speaker in her hand and you throw her in the car. And then you say she stashed a lighter. She probably just had it in her hand. She told you she was going to light it on fire. You still didn't confiscate some of the things that she had. Then she slips the cuffs. You know she slipped the cuffs. And you're not going to pull over and put the cuffs back on her? Oh, everything you break is just going to add up. You think she gives a fuck? She's not paying anything. She's going to go to jail, get these fines, and they're going to be unpaid. You think she cares? You got to do better than that, man.
Now I'm gonna break the other one. And I would break the camera, but I'll wait. I'll do that last. You're lucky you got my lighter, because I would have motherfucking
Now she got a weapon.
You go ahead and drop what you got in your hands.
What I got in my hand?
Whatever you got in your hands.
I got shit in my hand. What I got in my hand? What I got in my hand? Nah. No, you gonna tase me? I'm gonna tase you back. I'm gonna tase you back.
ready? Got the cuff.
Ready? I got a couple.
3. Pull.
Wow. Gotta get her together. I hope y'all had gloves on because she's pissy.
According to court records, this suspect, Wichana, was charged with resisting, obstructing, felony criminal damage to property of $1,000 or more for all the damage she caused inside the squad car, felony battery on a law enforcement officer, and trespassing. She was adjudicated guilty on all charges. She was sentenced to 36 months of probation and was released back into the public.
If you ever want to
Subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a minute.